Hello folks, welcome to Sherwood Park Toyota, located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you this new Toyota Sienna SC technology. Now the most notable features on this technology is its power moonroof. You also have your DVD player and your blind spot monitoring. Now I'm going to go through a couple more features on the inside and outside of the vehicle just to get you better familiar with this new Toyota Sienna SC technology. Let's get started. Now, a couple of the exterior features that you will see on this SC technology is its daytime running lights. You also have your fog lamps, and then if we take a look just over on the side here, you'll see your 19-inch aluminum alloy wheels. And then if we take a look up top here, you have your foldable mirrors as well as your heated mirrors. And if we take a look on the inside here, you're going to see your blind spot monitoring indicator. Now, with your blind spot monitoring indicator, it'll actually light up just alerting you that there is another vehicle right beside you. And I'm just going to show you what your second row is going to look like. So if we take a look in the back here, so as you can see, you have 3 seats in your second row there. That middle seat could actually be removed and placed in the back past the third row there, which I will show you later on in the video here. And you also have the sunshade visors just located on your second and third row windows, just so you can block out some of that sun while you're trying to have one of those restful naps just when you're going on one of those long trips with your family. Now, the other nice thing is, parents, if you're worried about your kids getting their hand or arm jammed into the door, the nice thing is it does have the jam protection, so in the event that the door does sense there is an obstruction in the way, it will just open itself back up again. And then if you want to close it from the outside, just pull on the handle once more and it will close automatically for you. Now, the color we're going to be taking a look at today is white. And to start off with, we're going to be taking a look at your front dash as well as your front seats, just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now you have your black leather interior seat surfaces with your power driver seat with lumbar support. Taking a look just over on your left-hand side, you're going to see your traction control on and off, along with some storage space for some coin. On the inside of your driver's side door, you have your mirror controls, window locks, power locks, window controls, both your front and rear windows. Now, a couple of the controls you'll see here on the steering wheel include your volume control, scroll function mode select, voice recognition, Bluetooth, scroll function for your multi-informational display, lane departure alert, and cruise control. Now, you do have that push button start, so all you have to do is put your foot on the brake, hit the push button, and it will start up for you automatically. Now, taking a look at the multi-informational display, you're going to see a couple of different options on there. So as you can see, you have a digital speedometer with the distance to empty. You can also take a look at your fuel economy, and then scrolling through it some more, you have your navigation, audio, lane departure alert, messages, and then your settings for your ECT power, blind spot monitoring on and off, rear cross traffic alert, your pre-collision system, and then you have a couple of other additional features in here as well. Now at the very top of that screen, you're also going to see an exterior temperature gauge. And if we take a look now just at your center dash as well as your touch panel display, you're going to see a couple of different options on here. So if you take a look here on your home screen, you have that nice split view where you have your audio as well as your navigation on here. And if you take a look inside the menu screen, you'll find your destination audio phone as well as a couple of other additional features. Now, the other nice thing is you do have the Entune app suite on here. So the nice thing with that is if you have the Slacker app, or if you have the Entune app suite already on your phone, you can use the Slacker app to stream your music from your phone onto the touch panel display. Or if you want to check local fuel prices, you can do so, or the latest sports scores, just depending on what your needs are for. Now, you do have the dual zone climate control settings along with your rear temperature controls located down below, matted to an automatic transmission. And if we take a look just on the bottom here, you'll see your heated seat controls for your driver and passenger. You have your USB and auxiliary input with your power outlet. And then if you take a look down below, you'll also find an additional power outlet. Now, at the very top here, you'll see your auto-dimming rear view mirror with integrated garage door opener and digital compass. And at the very top, you'll see your open and closed for your power sliding rear doors and your power liftgate, along with your open and close for your power moonroof as well. Now, you do have the SOS Safety Connect, so in the event that you're in a collision and you're unable to respond, emergency services will be sent out to you right away just to make sure you're all right. You have your sunglass case holder and then an additional mirror on the inside there just so you can keep an eye on the kids just while you're driving. Now the other nice thing is you do have the DVD player in the back here, so if you take a look at the very top there, just forgot to show it just in that earlier part of the video there, sorry about that folks, but you do have the DVD player there, that way you can keep the kids entertained on one of those long trips when you're going off on vacation. Finally, we'll be taking a look at your rear cargo area as well as your tailgate. Now, located just on the back of the tailgate here, you'll find your backup camera just on your left-hand side. Rear hatch at least located just underneath your Sienna emblem. Now, I'm just going to close in on the rear cargo space just so you have a much better idea of how much space there is. Now, as you can see over on this left-hand side here, this is where you'll actually store your middle seat for your second row there. So in the event that you aren't using that middle seat, then you can just place it just on this left-hand side here of your rear cargo space. Now, the other nice thing is you do have the power outlets just located over on your right-hand side as well. And then just to give you a better idea of what that DVD player is going to look like from the back here, I'll just close in on it for you. Now, if you want, you can actually fold down that 60-40 split for your third row in the event that you do need some additional space for cargo. All you would have to do is just push on the button on the back of the headrest here, and then pull on the middle piece here on the back of the seat, and then fold it back into the floor for yourself. Make sure this flap is nice and flat here in the back here. That way, if you have any cargo sitting in the back there, it's not going to catch on anything. Now, if you forget how the seats actually fold or unfold, the instructions are just located on the back of the seat there. And if we take a look now, just fold the flap up first, pull on this middle piece here, making sure it locks itself into place just so it doesn't move around, and then tilt the seat back to the desired position. Now, the reason why I say desired position is that you can actually tilt the seat back farther just so you're a little bit more comfortable on the drive. The other thing I like is that you do have the power tailgate as well, so all you have to do is push on the button once and it will close for you automatically, making things much easier for you when you have your hands full of grocery bags or the kids' sports bags. Thank you so much, folks, for watching this video today. If you have any questions, please visit us. We're located at 31 Automall Road in Sherwood Park, Alberta, Canada. The phone number is 780-410-2455, or please visit our website at sptoyota.com to get us by email. Once again, folks, thank you so much for watching this video today. If you have any comments or any additional questions, please leave them in the comment section located down below. Other than that, make sure you have a great day, and I hope to see you next time.